Hello and welcome to our video series covering common maintenance practices for ground logic machines. Today we'll be covering the spreader pattern control cable replacement for the Pathfinder and Pathfinder XC. Let's start by covering the tools that you'll need. A short Phillips screwdriver, a small crescent wrench, a 1/8 inch Allen wrench, a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, a 1/4 inch drive extension, and a 3/8 inch socket. Start by removing the cable retaining plate. Use the 1/8 inch Allen wrench on the front of the frame and the 3/8 inch socket with the ratchet and extension on the inside of the frame. Here you see a better view of the nut that needs to be removed from the inside of the frame. Using the short Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screw holding the cable end to the plastic pattern adjustment plate. Pull the cable end through the frame. On the console, remove the nut holding the cable to the mounting plate and pull the cable out through the hole in the plate. Install the cable end through the hole in the console plate and pull it through. Make sure the flat on the cable collar matches the flat on the console plate. Put the nut and the block washer back on the cable assembly, being careful not to cross thread the nut. Tighten with the small crescent wrench. Thread the cable through the hole in the side of the frame. Push the cable end through the hole in the front of the frame, making sure the small collar on the end of the cable sheath shows out the front of the frame. Align the cable with the small hole in the connecting screw. Here is a better view of the hole in the screw. Tighten the adjusting screw. You might need to move the plate by hand to get it in the right position. Install the cable retaining plate, making sure the plate is behind the collars on both cables. Tighten the plate using the Allen wrench and socket. That completes our video covering the replacement of the turn to lock pattern control cable. We'll be adding more videos, so keep checking back.